Question number 28. Two spherical conductors A and B of radius 1 mm and 2 mm are separated by a distance of 5 centimeters are uniformly charged. The spheres are connected by a conducting wire. Then in the equilibrium condition, the ratio of electric field at the surfaces of A and B is. So what is the given data? What is given data? Given data. Two spherical conductors. This is a spherical conductor A. This is a spherical conductor B. This is A. This is a B spherical conductor. Radius is, what is the radius of this spherical conductor? This is R1 is 1 mm. This is radius is, this is R2 is 2 mm. 2 mm. Are separated by a distance of 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. By 5 centimeters. Are uniformly charged. Uniformly charged. The spheres are connected by a connecting wire, then equilibrium position. This is A. R1 is 1 mm. This is R2 2 mm. This is a wire is connected. Wire is connected. This is a wire is connected. Connected by the wire, then equilibrium condition. The ratio of electric field at surface A by EB is equal to question mark. This is a given. The equilibrium condition. Now, so this is EA by EB. Electric field at A point, electric field at B point. B point. At the surfaces of A and B. A and B. Now, we have to find out. So this is both are connected in a, both are connected. This is a connecting wire. Connecting wire. This is a, this is given conducting wire. Conducting wire. This is a connecting wire. Connecting wire. So we have the one relation. So what is the relation? We have one relation. That is so relation between electric field and potential. Electric field and potential. So we have the relation, that is E is equal to V by R. V by R. This is we have the one relation. We have the one relation. So this is E is equal to V by R. V is equal to V by R. So here, so electric potential is constant. Why mean? This is a connecting wire. One end is connected to one body. Another end of the wire is connected to next spherical body. So what is the potential at A point and B point at equilibrium situation? Here, VA is equal to VB. Potential both are equal. Both potential are equal. Both potential are equal. So when this is a sphere, this is another sphere, this is a connecting wire. One end of the connector wire is connected to this body. Another end of the connector is connected to this body. So what is the potential? VA is equal to VB. Both are equal. Both are equal. So finally, we are going to write VA is equal to VB is equal to V. This is a potential. That is a potential. That is a potential. We are going to write it. Now, so potential is constant. What is the V is constant? We are going to write V E inversely proportional 1 by R. E inversely proportional 1 by R. 1 by R. So this is here two bodies. We have the two radius R1, R2L. This is A body, this is a B body. So we have the two bodies having two electric fields, two radius. We are going to write this is E1 by E2 is equal to 1 by R1. This is R2. We are going to write. So E1 means that is E1. So EA is taken as E1. EB body is taken as E2. Now, so E1 by E2 is equal to, what is R1 value? R1 value is 1 mm. R2 value is 2 mm. 2 mm each other. E1 by E2 is equal to 2 by 1. E1 is taken as EA. E2 taken as EB is equal to 2:1. This is your answer. This is your answer. Option number, what is the question number 28? 2:1. Option number, question number 28. Option is third option. Question number 28 is third option. This is the question number 28. Answer is 3. This is answer. No. So you have the one dot. So what is your dot means? Here, this is a conducting wire. One end of the conducting wire is connected to A body. Another end of the conductor is connected to B body. But in the equilibrium condition, so VA is equal to VB. Electric potential A body is equal to electric potential B body. How it is possible means, already I told you when the formula, that is the formula is formula. So what is the formula means? This is the one spherical body, radius R1. This is another spherical body, but this body having charge QQ. I'm taking QQ. So both are touching. This is R1. This is R2. Both are touching each other. This is the conductor connecting wire. So what is the charge here? This is a Q dash. This is a. I'm taking the charges are equal. At this point, so what is the shortcut formula? Q dash is equal to formula total charge by Q plus Q by radius R1 plus R2 into R1. So this is the Q2 dash. This is one more dash. This Q1 dash. This is Q2 dash. Q2 dash is equal to formula total charge Q plus Q by radius R1 plus R2 into R2 radius. This is a shortcut formula. This is a formula. Now I'm going to apply. You see very carefully. This is a body. This is I'm going to explain VA is equal to VB condition. So VA is equal to VB condition. This is a conductor. One end of the conductor is connected to A body. Another end of the conductor is connected to B body. B body. Okay, both are in contact with each other. After some time, VA electric potential A body is equal to electric potential to B body. Both are equal potential. I'm going to explain. You see carefully. You see. Here, what is the formula we have? So this is a Q1 dash. This is a formula is Q plus Q. This is a Q1, Q2. You take Q1, Q2, Q1, Q. Now you take. So what is the Q1? Q1 means Q plus. What is the Q2? Q plus by R1 plus R2. R1 means R2 means 1 plus 2, 3, and into R1. Into R1 means what is 1. This is a Q dash is equal to 2Q by 3. 2Q by 3, that is the Q1 dash. When after wire is connected. Okay, next to Q2 dash is equal to Q2 dash. Q1 dash, Q2 dash. So what is the Q2 dash? Q2 dash is equal to Q1 plus Q2. Q1 plus Q2 by radius. What is the radius? R1 plus R2. R1 is 1 mm, R2 is 2 mm. Total is 3 mm. 3 mm into R2. What is R2 radius? 2. This is a way of taking Q2 is equal to, this is a 2Q into 2 by 3. Q2 dash is equal to 2 into 2, 4Q by 3. So this is a charge. This body gain charge is how much? This is a 2Q by 3. Q2 dash value is, this is a 4Q by 3. 4Q by 3. So next is next. I'm checking. So V is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. This is a general formula electric potential. This is a general formula electric potential. So VA is equal to electric potential at A point. Electric potential at A point. On the surface, I'm finding. We have to find out electric potential on the surface. VA means electric potential at A point is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Take it as K. Q means what is the Q? That is Q1 dash by radius is 1 mm. Radius is 1. So VA is equal to K. Q1 dash value is, what is the Q1 dash value? 2Q by 3 by 1. That is 1. So VB, electric potential at B point is equal to electric potential at B point is equal to, so that is and B point. This is electric potential at this point. B point is, so that is the K Q2 dash by R2. That is VB is equal to K. Q2 dash means, what is the Q2 dash value? 4Q by 3. This is R2 means, what is R2? Radius is 2. 2 1 to 2 cancel. VB potential is equal to 2Q by 3. You see, and VA is equal to VBR. VA value is equal to K into 2Q by 3. VB is equal to K into 2Q by 3. So this is a potential. So VA is equal to VB is equal to V. This is that is your answer. Next question. Question number 29. Question number 29. Question number 29. So what is given? A charge Q is placed at each of the point x is equal to x naught, x is equal to 3x naught, comma, x is equal to 5x naught up to infinity on the x-axis. A charge minus Q is fixed at each of the points x is equal to x naught, comma, x is equal to 4x naught, comma, x is equal to 6x naught, comma, x naught up to infinity. X naught is a positive constant. Take the electric potential at a point due to Q at a distance r from it. It will be Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r. Then the potential at the origin due to the above system of the charges is. So what is the given data? Question number 29. Question number 29. Here, this is the axis. We are checking axis. This is positive charges at each point. This is a positive charge. So x is equal to x naught positive charge. X is equal to 3x naught positive charge. X is equal to 5x naught positive charge up to infinity. Next, minus Q is fixed at each point. This is x is equal to 2x naught. This is a minus Q. This is a 2x naught. This is a minus Q. This is a minus Q. This is a 4x naught. This is a minus Q. 6x naught up to infinity. Both are infinity. X naught is a positive constant. Take electric potential at a point due to charge Q at a distance. Or from to be Q by epsilon naught or. Then the above potential at the origin above the system. At the origin point, this is the origin point. We have to find out the electric potential. We have to find out the electric potential at origin point due to the charge. For first one, so electric potential general formula is equal to V is equal to electric potential due to point charge. Electric potential due to point charge general formula is V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. This is a general formula. This is a electric potential. This is a Q charge. This is a point P. Distance from here to here is R. At this point, we have to find out electric potential due to the charge. This is a general formula for this one. Okay, keep in your mind. Similarly, at this point, at the origin point, we have to find out electric potential due to the charge. That is V1 is equal to K. This is I'm going to write K. Charge is positive charge. Distance between origin and this point is that is x naught. I'm taking x. Next V2 is equal to next. This is a charge. I'm taking this is charge. Distance is from here to here is 2x naught. At this point, we have to calculate electric potential due to the charge. That is the minus K Q by distance between origin point and origin point and minus Q is 2x naught. Next charge is positive charge. Next V3 is equal to, at this point we have to calculate electric potential due to the charge. That is KQ. Distance between origin point and discharge is 3x naught. Next to V4 minus KQ by 4x naught. And similarly, V5 is equal to plus KQ 5x naught. Next to V6 is equal to minus KQ 6x naught. 6x naught. 6x naught. So V total at origin point is equal to V total at origin point is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 plus V5 plus V6 plus and so on. So next to V1 means, so what is the V1? KQ by X naught. Next to V2 means minus KQ by 2x naught plus V3 means KQ by 3x naught. V4 means minus KQ by 4x naught. V5 means plus KQ by 5x naught. V6 means minus KQ by 6x naught plus and so on. So this is, you see carefully, KQ by x naught. First term having KQ by x naught. Second term having KQ by 2x naught. And KQ by x naught is common. Next third term having KQ by x naught. Fourth term having KQ by x naught. Fifth term having, this is a common term. All terms having KQ by x naught. KQ by x naught takes common from all terms. KQ by x naught take outside from the terms. Okay. KQ by x naught take out means remaining value minus 1. Next, KQ by x naught take out means remaining value is 1 by 2. Plus KQ by x naught take out means remaining value is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Next, minus KQ by x naught take out means this is a 1 by 4. Plus KQ by x naught take out means the remaining value 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 6 plus and so on. This is a value. You see those carefully. This is a KQ by x naught. This is a, we are going to write, this is a log x. This is a, we are going to write log x base to the e. Okay. So this is a value we are going to write. This is a log, so this is a 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6. We are going to write this is a total value means we are going to write that is log 2 base to e. Log 2 base to the e we are going to. Now k means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q log 2 base to the e by x naught. X naught. This is a value. So we are taking. Okay. So this is a q log 2 by base to e 4 pi epsilon naught. This is x naught. This is a electric potential at origin point. Electric potential at origin point. Option number. Question number 29. Option is correct option is fourth option. Fourth option. This is a question number 29. Question number 29. Number 29. Next, question number 30, I will explain later. Next, I will start the question number 31. Question number 31. Some equipotential surfaces are shown in figure. The electric field strength is, so given this figure, so this is a y-axis, This is the x-axis. X-axis. This is origin point. This is 5, 10, 15, 5 centimeters, 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter distance. This is a x centimeter. So this is a potential 10 voltage, 10 electric potential, 20 V. This is a 30 V. 30 V. This is a given. Now we have to find out electric field strength. Electric field strength. We know very well relation. So what we know relation? E is equal minus dV by dr. We have the relation. So where is the electric field direction? One basic point. So what is the basic point? Node point. So this is a line 10V, 20V, 30V, 30V. So electric field is already, I told you, this is the direction of electric field. This is the direction of electric field. This is the equipotential surface, EPS. EPS line. So this is a EPS line. This is a E bar. Direction of electric field. This is a EPS, equipotential surface. Both are 90 degrees. Both are 90 degrees. Angle is, what is the angle between? So what is the angle between? Here is 90 degrees. E bar and EPS, equipotential surface. What is the angle between E and EPS? 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Keep in your mind that one. Now I'm going to write this is the E bar. Where is the E bar? E bar is, this is, I'm going to draw this E bar. This is a E bar. This is a E bar. Just carefully. So what is the angle between here? Exactly. Here is, what is the angle? 90 degrees. 90 degrees. This is a line equipotential surface. Equipotential surface. This is a EPS line. This is EPS line. This is a electric field line. Electric field line. Electric field line, direction of electric field, EPS. What is angle between E and EPS? 90 degrees. 90 degrees. But in given data, so what is the given data here? Angle, what is the angle here? 30 degrees. Here also 30 degrees. Here also, what is given? 30 degrees. 30 degrees given. Here also 30 degrees means here also, what is the angle? Here also, what is the angle? Here also 30 degrees. Here also 30 degrees. 30 degrees. So this is 10 centimeters. This is a 10 centimeters. Okay. From here to here is 5 centimeters. From here to here is 5 centimeters. From here to here is 5 centimeters. Distance is 5 centimeters. Now, this is a making angle 30. So this is so what is this mark? This is the angle theta. This is opposite side. This is adjacent side. This is a 5 cos 30. This is cos 30. Okay, now 5. This is I'm resolved into two components. This is resolved into two components. Making angle theta. This is opposite side. This is adjacent side. 5 can be resolved. This line. This is from here to here is 5 centimeters. From here to here is 10. From here to here is 15 centimeters. And from here to here is 5. From here to here is 5. From here to here is 5. This 5 can be resolved into two components. One is 5 cos theta. Another one is, this is 5 sin theta. 5 sin 30 degrees. 5 30 degrees. This line is how much? 5 sin 30. This line is, this line 5 cos 30. 5 cos 30. Okay, I'm drawing neatly. Once again, that is not appear. Cool. What is given? Question number 31. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. Centimeters. From here it is 5 centimeter. From here it is 10 centimeter. From here it is 15 centimeter. This is given. What is the given data? Given data is, this is 10V, 20V, 30V. This is given. But angle also given. Here also 30 degrees. Here also 30 degrees. Here also 30 degrees given. This is the given data. Exactly given data. This is given. But this is the origin point. Origin point. But in this question, what we have to find out? We have to find out electric field strength E. We know very well relation between electric potential and electric field is E is equal to minus dV by dr. We have the relation. This is the relation. That is a relation. Come to the point, node point. Node is, what is the node point, please? Here, this is a EPS line. This is a E bar. This is the direction of electric field. This is the equipotential surface. What is angle between E bar and EPS is 90 degrees. This is a 90 degrees. This is a 90 degrees. Okay now? Now come to the point. So this is the line is because this is a 10B, which is the EPS line. This is the also EPS line. This is also EPS line. EPS line. But where is the electric field? Electric field and EPS, what is angle between EPS, E bar means 90 degrees. 90 degrees. We have the EPS line. Where is the electric field? Exactly 90 degrees. Exactly 90 degrees. You can take anywhere. This is electric field. You see, from here to here is angle, from here to here is 90 degrees. You see clearly. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. This is the 30 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay, clear? Come to the point. From here to here is 5 centimeters. From here to here is 5 centimeters. From here to here is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. From here to here is how many centimeters? 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Okay now? Clear? From here to here is 15 centimeters. From this is the origin point. Origin point. Origin point. Origin point. This is given. Now we'll see. We draw the perpendicular. Now this is a triangle. You see the triangle? This is a 30 degrees means this is opposite side also. So what is the angle here? What is the angle here? 30 degrees. So what is the length of this one? 5 centimeters. 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. This is a 5 centimeter. These 5 centimeters can be divided into two components. Two components. That is this is a making angle theta means this is a 5 cos 30 degrees. Next, this is a theta is opposite side. This is a 5 sin 30 degrees. Sin 30. This is a 5 sin 30 degrees. This is a 5 cos 30. 5 cos 30. Okay. Now we are going to calculate E is equal to minus dV means what is a dV? This is a 30. This is a 20. Higher potential minus lower potential by distance between. Distance. What is the distance? I want this distance. This is EPS. This is EPS. This is the line is 5 sin 30. 5 sin 30. This is a perpendicular to this one. Perpendicular to this one. This is a 5 sin 5 sin 30 degrees. Why I am taking this line? This line is perpendicular to 20V, 30V. Both are parallel lines. This is the line is perpendicular. This line is perpendicular to the 20V, 30V. That's why I'm taking 530. 5 sin 30 degrees. E is equal to minus 30 minus 20 means that is 10. This is a 5. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. E is equal to, this is centimeters. This is a, this is a 5 means 5 centimeters. In a 5 centimeters. This is a 5 centimeter 1 by 2. Minus 10 into 2, take upside. 2 into 10 power of minus 2. Centimeter means 10 power of minus 2. So we are taking E is equal to minus 20 by 5. Take 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of minus 2. Take upside means that is 100. Minus 20 into 100 by 5. 5 1, 5 4. So what is the value? Minus 400. This is the E value. Minus indicates, this is indicates, minus indicates direction of electric field, electric potential degrees, electric potential degrees. The minus sign indicates direction of electric field. Minus indicates direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. In the direction of electric field. In the direction of electric field. Electric potential degrees. That is something. So your answer is E is equal to 400 voltmeter. We can write Newton or Newton Coulomb. Newton Coulomb. This is it. So what is the angle here? This is E. This is the line is electric field line. This is x-axis. What is the angle? What is the angle from here to here? Is the angle? This is 90 plus 30. This is 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Angle is 120 degrees with x-axis. Theta is equal to 120 degrees with x-axis. So x-axis. Option number 3. Question number 31. Answer is 3. That is your answer. That is your answer. Next, question number 33. Question number 32. Question number question number 32. Question number 32. Here is a special parallelogram. Parallelogram. Special parallelogram with the adjacent side length is 2a and a. One of the possible angles between them 60 degrees. Two charges are to be kept across a diagonal only. The ratio of minimum potential energy of the system to maximum potential energy. Maximum potential energy. What is the given data? This is a parallelogram law. Parallelogram law given. This is a parallelogram law given. This is a denote very well. So this is a 2a distance. This is a distance. This is a also. This is a 2a. This is a diagonal. This is a diagonal. So what is the given charges? You can take this is a Q1 charge. This is a Q2 charge. Distance between two charges is you can take. You can take. Okay. This is a given. So we have to find out minimum potential energy by maximum potential. Maximum potential energy. Potential energy general formula is U is equal to K into Q1 by Q2 by distance between two charges. This is a general formula. Potential energy, general formula. The base of potential energy, general formula. So this is our radius. This is our distance between two charges. According to parallelogram law, so we have to find out magnitude of resultant vector. Sorry, R means magnitude. We have to find out magnitude of R. So what is the magnitude? R is equal to root of P square plus Q square plus 2 PQ cos theta. Cos theta. One angle is given 30 degrees. So this is the 30 degrees. Come to the point. R1 is equal to R1 is maximum means so you are taking P means that is 2a square plus Q square means that is a square plus 2. P means we are taking 2a. Q means a cos theta. Theta means 60 degrees. By root 2a square, that is 4a square. A square. Next 2 into 4, a square. 4a square. Cos 60, 1 by 2. 60, 1 by 2. 2 ones, 2 cancel. Root of 4a square plus a square plus 2a square. 2a square, 4a square. 6a square plus a square means 7a square. This is root 7a. We are going to write. This is R max. R maximum value. R maximum value. R maximum. This is a general form. This is R. You want R minimum means R minimum. So we are checking R max. This is a max. R max. Minimum means R bar is equal to minimum means we are taking root of P square plus Q square minus 2PQ cos theta, cos theta, cos theta, cos theta, cos theta. Okay. So this is R bar is equal to R bar minimum. R bar minimum is equal to root of P square means 2a square plus a square minus 2a into a cos. So what is that? Remaining here, 30 degrees. Root of this is a 2a square, 4a square plus a square minus 2 into 2, 4 a square. This is cos 30. Cos 30 degrees is equal root 3 by 2. That is a 1.732 by 2. This is a 0.6. 0.6 means we are taking 1. That is, I am taking cos 30 values. We are taking 0.6 means I am taking 1. This is a root 4a square. That is a 5a square minus 4a square. Oh, sorry. Oh, I am taking 1 by 2, okay. 4a square. I'm taking here 60 degrees. We are given in is 60 degrees. So R minimum is equal to root of 2a square means 4a square plus this is a square minus 2 into 2, 4 a into a square cos 60. Cos 60 means what is the value? 1 by 1 by. So this is 2 cancel. This is the root of 5a square, 4a square plus a square means 5a square minus this is 2 1 2 cancel. That is 2a square. That is the root of 5a square minus 2a square. That is the value is 3a square and root 3 root a square root cancel. That is root 3a. Root 3 a. This is R minimum. R minimum value. R minimum value. You can take plus or minus cos 60. Plus means maximum, minus means minimum. Theta is common. What is it? Theta is equal to? Theta is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Now, minimum. So minimum means what is the U minimum? K, Q, and Q2 by R. What is the minimum? Root 3a. So by U max means K, Q1, Q2 by distance between the two charges, that is root 7a. Otherwise, U maximum by U minimum also you can take. Okay. So what is the value? This is a cancel each other. This is root 7a cancel root 7 by root 3. Next, U maximum by U minimum means that is root 3 by root 7. This is your answer. But in your question, so what is it given? Question number 32. So that is you can change minimum and maximum means root 3 by 7. Root 7 by root 3. This is your answer. But given option is wrong. Given option is wrong. Otherwise, you can change the question. U maximum by U minimum is equal root 3 by root 7. That is correct option. Your answer is first option. That is U maximum by U minimum means change the question. The ratio of maximum potential of the system to the minimum potential means your answer is root 3 by 7. Root 3 by root 7 your answer. Your answer. Okay? Okay, thank you very much. So the class is over. Tomorrow I will explain remaining.